Enjoy the privacy of your own screen swimming pool. Totally remodeled and amp. Beautifully furnished 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Open and amp, bright, high ceilings, split floor plan. Fabulous eat-in kitchen with white cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and amp, large eating bar. Great room design. Dining area off of kitchen. Oversized master suite with huge walk-in closet. Shower and amp, double vanity and master bath. Additional bedroom quite generous. Sliding doors along the rear of the house open to a screened pool/patio. Fenced. Laundry room. 1-car garage. Quiet location. First, last, security, $100 HOA app fee, $250 refundable HOA deposit. $250 non-refundable pet deposit. Minimum rental 5 months. Can also be rented furnished annually for $3,500 per month.